let's go ahead and add a chart to our presentation. We are going to add the chart to our slide that shows what the 401k plan looks like for this hypothetical company. And we're going to say that in this scenario, our company matches employees' contributions to their 401k plan based on their seniority at the company. So let's add a chart representing that. We'll hit the Insert ribbon. We'll hit the Chart button. We'll select our default chart. And you'll notice it comes with some sample data. And the sample data has 3 series of data represented by multiple color columns in our chart. But our scenario is a lot simpler. We're going to go ahead and shrink down our data set to 1 column. And notice underneath the other columns disappear. We'll say that employees that have been there from 1 to 3 years receive 50% matching. Those who have been there from 3 to 8 years will receive 100% company matching. And we'll say anybody who's been there 8+ years is going to be rewarded with 125% matching based on their loyalty. Now we have an extra data point, so once again we'll shrink our data set. And notice 3 columns now are displayed. We'll close our data view by hitting the X. And if I wanted to edit that some more, I can hit the Edit Data button and get that back again. Now let's just go ahead and edit some of the chart aspects. We're overlapping our text, so we'll shrink this thing first. And we have some generic labels in there that aren't tremendously useful for us, so we'll use some of the quick access buttons off to the right to alter how our chart looks. We'll hit the plus button, and we'll notice we have several things that we can turn on or off as a group. So axes, there's 2 axes, X and Y. I can turn both of them off by unchecking this, or if I use this arrow, I can individually turn them off. For me, I'd like to go ahead and add the axis titles, and I want to turn off the legend. Now that I've done that, I can select any item in the chart and I can edit it directly. So I'll edit the title. And we'll say that this is Tailspin Toys 401k matching. We'll change this title and say that that is seniority. Seniority. Sometimes I can spell. We'll select this one, and we'll change that to, this is matching percentage. I'll just call that matching amount. All right. It's flagging I have a misspelling in seniority. Anyways, we will go ahead and now we can actually change other aspects of how this chart looks. Say we didn't want to actually have a column chart. If we go to Change Chart Type button over here, we can see all the other variations that are available to us. Some are going to be better for presenting different types of data, but for ours, either a line or a column is going to be ideal. You can see there's quite a variety here. Area, bar, pie. You would go ahead and select any of those that you wanted, hit OK, and it would apply the change there. Like other elements within PowerPoint, you can style tables, you can style fonts, you can style all sorts of things. Charts are no different. A bunch of pre-formatted chart styles. We'll go ahead and select one of those. So there's a variety of things that you can edit within charts. So what I'd like to do is go ahead and let you have a chance to try that right now.